Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Gemini app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Gemini app and you will enter. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store, you will search about Gemini, and if you find update here, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.